All right, number 40 says, a tanning salon charges a one-time maintenance fee of $12 plus $4 for each tanning visit. Write a function to describe the situation, and then find a reasonable domain and range for the function for up to 6 visits. Okay. So my function would be, let's go ahead and say f of x equals, they're charging a $12 fee plus $4 for each visit. So $12 plus $4 for each visit. And they're wanting us to do a domain and a range. So again, let's just go to our calculator. And if it's up to 6 visits, that means we're going to start with 1 visit and then 2 visits, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So of course this would be my domain and this would be my range. Okay, so let's just go to the calculator. So I want to go to a new document. I don't ever save anything, and I want to go to a graph. So we'll type our equation in. We came up with 12 plus 4x. Sorry, that should be a plus 4x. All right, and then enter. Again, I don't really care what the graph looks like. I just want to get to the table. So Control T, and there's my table. And so I just need to write those numbers down. So remember, we had this table going for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 visits. So for 1 visit, it's going to cost $16. For 2 visits, it'll be $20. For 3 visits, $24. For 4 visits, $25. For 5 visits, $32. If we arrow down, we can see for 6 visits, it will be $36. So if we wanted to write it as a set of numbers, let me do it here. My domain in the braces would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the range written in the braces would be 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and then 36. Okay? Okay, the next 4 problems we have are all graphing inequalities on a coordinate grid. So I'm just, again, going to go straight to the calculator, and I'm not going to bother to try to sketch them over here. We're just going to look at what they look like on the calculator. So let's go there. And let's go to a new, that's right, a new document. Don't save anything, and we want to go straight to graph. And because I have inequalities, though, I'm going to go to relations. So do you remember we have to hit the delete button here? And that brings up this little drop-down menu, and I want to go to number 6 for relation. So we'll hit 6. And then I can type in exactly what I need. So my first inequality on number 41 is y is less than a -3. And I can hit enter. And then if I want another one on the same graph, which I do, I'm going to hit tab. And then I can type my second inequality. It's x minus y is greater than 1. And I can type that one in. And so that way you guys can see exactly what it is. Now, there we go. Now we can see because they both have dashed lines, not solid lines, because neither one of them have the equal to, okay? And then my double shaded area would be this section right down here. All right? All right, let's go to the next one on number 42. I'm just going to add a page and then add another graph. Again, we're going to hit delete and go to number 6 for relation. So number 42, my first inequality is y is less than 2x plus 3. Hit that. Do the tab. So we can hit the next one. And it'll be y is less than a -x plus 1. And hit. And again, we can see that we have dashed lines for both of these also because neither one of them has the equal to. And this will be my double shaded area. Okay, let's go and do another one. Again, Control Dot for a new page. Again, add a graph. Hit delete and go to number 6. So number 43 is x plus 4y is greater than 8. And then I need another one, so tab, and my second inequality is 3x minus y is greater than or equal to. So to do the greater than or equal to, we have to do, here we go, control here. There we go. Greater than or equal to is right here. And then 4. Okay, so now we should see this one has the dashed line because it doesn't have an equal to, but this one has a solid line because it does have the equal to. And again, we can see where my double shaded areas would be, so all of my solutions would be in the double shaded. Okay, let's do one more. We've got to add a page, add a graph, go to delete, and then number 6. And we have 3x minus 5y, and then I've just, oh, never mind, control equals, so I can have my choices, so it's going to be greater than or equal to, and then a -10, and hit enter, and then tab, and do it again, 4x minus 2y, and control equals, and I need a less than or equal to, so right there, and then 10. Okay, so again, both of these have solid lines because they both had equal to's. My double shaded is in this area right here, so all my solutions would be right there. Okay.